Let's look at the VPN server that's built into Firewalla. In short, this VPN server allows you to serve the web just as if you're at home when you're not. So if you're going to Starbucks and you're accessing the web through their public Wi-Fi, usually these public Wi-Fis are not very secure. Anybody can have the key and look at the data. So what you want is to have a better way of accessing internet. So the best way is VPN, which is allow you to encrypt all the traffic and send them back home. Then the same data is sent out to the ISP. So from your ISP perspective, you're home. So what doesn't do? It can't hide your serving habits from your ISP because your traffic still goes to the ISP. It can't not help you to hide your IP address so you can access Netflix in areas that you shouldn't be accessing. Okay, let's see how we turn on VPN. So here's the main interface. We're going to do is tap on the VPN button and you'll be on the VPN screen. To turn VPN on is extremely simple. Let's just tap on the VPN button. Let's take a while. It will generate in keys. So we're done. So this screen allows you to install this profile into an OpenVPN app. So by now you should have downloaded OpenVPN to your iPhone or iPad. And this actually initialized the VPN. So the first thing you do is write down this number, it's 20362 in the piece of paper, and tap on install profile. And this will pop out two things. You can actually send this profile to your PC or Mac in this case and use another application to load this profile, and you can actually enable VPN from your Mac. The app we use on the Mac is called TunnelBlick. You can see that in our website. So in our demo, we're going to use to open VPN. So we're going to tap on copy to open VPN. Tap here. And you see open VPN pop up. And you're going to see a profile. This is 0A0REGBB89. And to add this profile, you tap on the plus sign. And here it'll ask you the private key to unlock this profile. So we're going to do 20362 and save. That's it. So we have set up the profile. To connect, we just tap this button. Tap on yes. And we'll try to connect. In this case, it'll fail because I'm actually trying to VPN into my home from inside. And most routers don't have this feature called NAT hairpinning, so it will just basically hang on there. So the better way to test this feature is connect outside, so go to your LTE and just tap this button on and off, and that will get you connect to VPN. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.